Hi guys and welcome back to my course. In this video we will learn about template string. Let's start with what is a template string. It is just a string which allows embedding expressions inside it. To create a template string, you don't use single or double quotes, but instead you use backticks. And the embedded expression is wrapped inside dollar and curly braces. So for example, we're trying to store this template string in a variable mGreetings. And as you can see, this hello and dollar curly braces is wrapped inside backticks. And this expression, which is represented by a variable, is wrapped inside dollar and curly braces. So let's try an example to understand it better. So let's say, normally this is what we would do. Say hello plus, let's create another variable which holds the name John. And this is what we would do normally. But with template strings, this single quote or double quote is replaced by backtick, and the expression comes like this. So dollar, curly braces, and inside that you bring your variable or expression. Let's save it. Let's try printing it. All right, so as you can see, it's printing hello John. Similarly, we can also call functions inside here. So let's give that a try. Say function get full name. So let's say first name, last name. So this function just accepts the first name and last name and it returns the full name. A very simple functionality. So again, instead of this concatenation, we can write it as a template string. So backticks, dollar, curly braces, first name, space, dollar, curly braces, last name. And we can get rid of these, everything which was outside. Let's rename this to first name. Alright, so instead of this name, let's try calling the function now. So get full name, and we can pass the values. So let's say first name and last name. Let's save it, and as you can see, it's giving us John Lark. So that's how you can call functions. You can also use operators here, say plus 100, so it would just concatenate, so John Lark 100. So these were all pretty basic expressions, so it does not feel like this string template is doing enough. So let's try working on something more complex. Say we wanted to create something like this. Red, blue, sorry, it's RGB. Red, green, blue, and alpha. So normally, using concatenation, you would do something like this. RGBA. Let's just copy this first. You do something like this, and these red, green, alpha, blue, these could be some variables. So let's say red is equal to 200, green is equal to 155, blue is equal to 100, and alpha is equal to 0.8. So when you try printing this, it gives you your RGB expression. So as you can see, you had to concatenate all these small parts, even the commas, and it's very cumbersome. Now this expression could be even more complex. So a better way or more efficient way would be to use template strings. So what we can do is, let's put it back to the way it was originally. Now we can wrap this in backticks. And wherever we have these variables, we can simply use dollar and wrap them in curly braces. If I run my code again, we still get the same value. So that's how you can use template strings. And as you can see, with template strings, it's a breeze. And that's a wrap for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of template strings. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.